What's the meaning of colobus monkey? Colobus monkey. Colobus monkey.
Colobus monkey. Colobus monkey. The colobus monkey is a type of primate found in Africa. It has long, black and white fur, with no thumbs on its hands. These monkeys live in large social groups and feed primarily on leaves. They are known for their unique vocalizations and acrobatic abilities. Unfortunately, many species of colobus monkey are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these important primates and their habitats.